azvipere mushe tikuona kuti wakaona ve-anti 2030 tukara zvikaranda. We have seen also Lieutenant Retired General Winston Mabranga achimenshena this issue yekuti panguva inai kuri kuonekwa kunzi pane ZNA soldiers panguva ino who are being tortured with iron bars and electricity. Panguva ino after kuonekwa kunzi pane pamphlets which were distributed. Panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi this torture ichavaforsa kuti vakomana ava vabude vataure chokwadi kuti ndiani akacreata nekugenerata nekuprinta nekudistributa those pamphlets are against they kept 3 not subscribe or like out on the bell icon. President Antoine anodanyora chiti just received arrested ZNA soldiers are being tortured with iron bars and electricity. Sean ordered them injected with poison. They are forced to confess to charges they didn't commit. President is protecting criminals. If anything happens to them, Mnangagwa is fully responsible. I'm not sure this chat ramurikona the screenshot ramurikona irakanyorwa chinzi wo sure here but even please may you inform others that the arrested soldiers are being tortured badly. I'm informed that Sean ordered them to be injected with poison. The bad part of it, they are being forced to admit to the charges, yet they committed no offense. Anubendra chiti, okay, let me try to raise alarm, but Sean is ruthless like his father. How exactly are these soldiers tortured? Anubendra chiti, they are tortured with iron bars, electricity. The bad part of this, they did not commit any offense. The president is protecting criminals. Domba developments are kuda pangwa ine ari kunopa this conversation iripitika. Iri kunokunzi azvina kumira zvakanaka. Vakomanda vapidzwa panguva yakaopa. Panguva ino the person who is accused is Sean Mnangagwa akunzi ndiye ari kulead this torture. Mbudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndina comment section medu, subscribe or like, wachira on the bell icon.